Can you hear me?
Okay, I will start sharing screen.
Sure, uncle.
Not able to hear you.
Uncle, can you hear me? Is it better?
It's better. Okay, very good. You did the first three sums. That means you know how to do it. Let us now do work 4, 5, 6, and 7.
Okay.
And then we'll randomly do some sums in exercise 1.5.
Sure.
Because you cannot solve simultaneous linear equation which is not in your portions.
Hmm.
So we'll take up some sums which are not like that.
Okay.
Okay, fourth sum. Let us start with fourth sum.
Uncle, we didn't do the example. We didn't do the example sums.
No need.
Okay.
No. If an example comes, we will do. Okay. Let us do the fourth sum. I'll remember from your 9th standard. Two commodities A and B are produced such that 0.4 tons, okay, of A and 0.7 ton of B are required to produce a ton of A. So A, B like that. A, B like that. You have 0.4 tons is required. 0.8 ton of A and 0.7 ton of B are required to produce ton of B. Then 0.1 ton of B and 0.7 ton of B again required to produce a ton of B. Write down the technology matrix. And if 68 tons of A and 10.2 tons of B are required, final final demand. D matrix is final demand. 68 and 10.2. This is D1, this is D2. Required, find the gross production of both of them. That means find X1 and X1 and X2.
Okay.
Find X matrix. Okay. That is what. What is X matrix? X matrix is equal to I minus B inverse into D matrix. Okay. So we have to do this now. That's the problem. So let us start. Now already you have received only 0.4 ton, 0.7 ton. So that means the rate is already given. You don't have to go and do further processing on the rate.
Okay.
1.2 exercise 1.2. We have to do some fourth sum, right?
Yeah.
Exercise 1.4. Just a second. So this is a question that came up in the exams, I think. So very important question. Exercise 1.4 fourth sum. So this is directly the technology matrix.
Yeah.
Okay, directly that is a technology matrix. So this is not A1, A2. This is not A1, A2. This is actually B11, B12, like that. So this is the rates that have been given. Now you proceed directly from B. Don't need to derive B. So what you have to do? You have to find the first step is I minus B. Minus 0.4, 0.1, 0.7, 0.7. It's good. I found your homework. Everything is nice. 1 minus 0.7 is how much?
1 minus
Minus 0.1. Then 0 minus 0.7.
Uncle, I use calculator for this.
You use whatever you want. 1 minus 0.7 is 0.3. For this and all, why you want to use calculator? Some the calculation will come at the last point, 3.06, and all that values are coming now. That point you use calculator. Last point.
No, just to confirm answer correctly, that's why.
What is your school teacher telling? Can you use calculator?
Yeah, she told me I can use calculator.
Then no problem. You can use. But don't use, you will lose time if you use calculator for these steps. Only for the last step, you have to use calculator.
Okay.
Okay. Now, you are getting I minus B. 0.6 minus 0.1, 0.7 plus 0.3. Okay. Now, then you also find out, this is the diagonal. Diagonal, all conditions are, condition 1 means all are positive. Diagonal. Second condition is, determinant of I minus B must be greater than 0. Let us see that. That is 0.6 into 0.3 minus 0.7 into minus 0.1.
Uncle, the symbols will change, uncle. Okay. Yeah.
What?
Nothing, uncle. Now and there, I directly change the symbol from 0.7 to 0.1.
I don't understand.
No, uncle, from minus 0.7 it will become plus 0.7, uncle. To change the symbol.
If you do something and get confused, then it's a problem. If you don't get confused, no problem. You should know what you're doing.
Yeah, uncle, I know what I'm doing.
That's why you should know what you're doing. 0.18 minus 0.07. 8 minus 7, 1, 1. 0.011. So, I minus B matrix determinant is equal to 0.11, which is greater than 0. So, that's a viable solution. First step is over.
Uncle.
Yes, boss.
Minus into minus will become plus, no, uncle?
Yes, boss.
Okay, understood, uncle.
This minus into this minus is plus.
Yeah, understood.
There is a minus here. There is minus 0.07. That's why I told you, please don't do all your shortcuts. Do the real thing. Minus into minus is plus. Whole minus will again become minus.
Okay.
Let us go fast. We have a lot of work to do.
Sure.
Okay, now this is step 1 complete. Let me put this in your first step is over. So now you have matrix I minus B. Matrix I minus B is 0.6, 0.7, minus 0.1, then plus 0.3. Okay, this is I minus B. I minus B mat determinant is equal to 0.11. Okay, now you got this. Now what you have to find out? I minus B inverse you got to now find out. Okay, inverse of I minus B. That means inverse of this one. So A11 is equal to 0.6. Then minor is equal to 0.3. Then cofactor is equal to how much? Cofactor is equal to
0.6
minus 1 squared into 0.3. That is equal to 0.3.
Okay.
Then A12 is equal to minus
minus 0.1.
Minor is
0.7.
cofactor is equal to minus 1 cubed of
minus 3.
0.7.
Minus 0.7.
Very
minus
good. Minus 0.7. Very good. A21 is equal to 0.7. Minor is minus
0.1.
Cofactor is minus 1 cubed of minus 0.1. That is equal
plus
to
0.1. Okay. A22
A22 is
0.3.
Minor is 0.6. Cofactor is minus 1 to the power of 4 into 0.6. That is equal to 0.6. Okay. So cofactor matrix is equal to 0.3 minus 0.7, 0.1, 0.6. Transpose equal to 0.3 minus 0.7, 0.1, 0.6. Correct? Transpose. Now, I minus B inverse is equal to determinant. What is the determinant? 1 by I minus B determinant into 0.3, 0.1 minus 0.7 plus 0.6. Okay. That is equal to 1 by 0.11 into 0.3, 0.1 minus 0.7 and 0.6. Okay. Now you got it. So what we told, x equal to I minus B inverse into D matrix. Okay. Now what is D matrix? That is the graph of final demand required. The final demand required is 6.8 and 10.2. This is D matrix, D1 and D2. Okay, so you have to multiply that by 6.8 and 10.2. Okay, multiply that by 6.8 and 10.2. Now, 6.8, no, 68, not 6.8. How much is given? 68.
68 uncle, yeah. 68 tons, yeah.
Okay. Now that is equal to 1 by 0.11 into 0.3 into 68 is how much?
0.3 into 68.
0.3, 24, 18, 20. So 20.4, that is equal to 20.4 plus how much? 0.1 into 10.2 is equal to 1.02. So 20.4 plus 1.02. 242, 21.42.
21.42, yeah.
21.42. Number one. Okay, same way, second one, minus 0.07. Minus 0.7 into 6.8. Okay, into 6.8 will be, let us do the other
minus 4.76 uncle.
Okay, let us do the other
0.7.
68 into minus 0.7. 7 8s of 56. 6 7
47.6 uncle. 47.6.
Okay, so you have 47.6 plus. Now 0.6 into how much? 0.6 into 10.2. 10.2 into 0.6. 6 2s are 12. 6 1. So 2.6.12 plus 6.12. Okay. So 6.12 plus how much we said? 47.60. Okay. That is 72. Plus 6, 12, 13. 53. Okay. So that is 53.72. 0.11 into 53 by 72. Okay. So what you have to do? Now we have to use calculator. Use calculator,
Okay.
use it here only. Last step, use 21.42 by 0.11. How much is calculator?
21.42. 21.42.
Calculator will show this.
Wait, 21.42 into what, uncle?
21.42 divided by 0.11.
Divided by, okay, divided by 0.11. Yeah, uncle, 194.7273.
Yeah, like, so this
273
is
yeah.
X1 gross production.
Okay.
This is X2 gross production.
Okay.
Both are in tons. Okay, that's all, problem over. Very nice. Very easy problems. I change the color so that it makes things more interesting. That's why. So don't think anything.
Sure.
You also working, so looking at the same color, it will be boring. Okay. Now let us start fifth sum. Fifth sum additional steps are coming. Consumption sector. Suppose the inter-industry flow of products of the industry are given as under. So what you have to do, I'm going to rub this on. Inter-industry link. Okay, so matrix A will be, this is X, this is Y, this is X, this is Y. 30, 40, 20, 10. This is A matrix. Now, demand matrix is 50 and 30. Now, gross output matrix is 120 and 60. This is X1, this is X2. Okay, this is D1, this is D2. This is A11, A12, like that. Okay. Now we have to find B matrix, the rate matrix. Okay. So for that, we have to do B of 11 is equal to A of 11 by X1. That is 30 by 120. This one, 120 from here. Okay. That is equal to 1/4. Same way, B of 12 is equal to A of 12 by X2. Okay. Always you have to use J, not I.
Okay.
X2. So 12, what is 12? 40 by 60. That is equal to 2 by 3. B of 21 is equal to A of 21 divided by again X1. Because last number only you have to use X1. A of 21 is what? 20 by 120. That is equal to 1/6. Now B of 2 is equal to A of 22 by X2 again. This is 10 divided by 60. That is also 1/6. Okay. So B matrix equal to 1/4, 2/3, 1/6, and 1/6. This is the final rate matrix we have to work with. Okay. Now he is also telling the domestic demand changes from 50, 30 to 80, 40. So final demand will be 80, 40. So this is the final D. So this D we will not take now. Okay. This is B matrix. Now we have to find I minus B. 1, 0, 1 minus 1/4, 2/3, 1/6, 1/6. How much this is? 1 minus 1/4 is 3/4. This is minus 2/3 and minus 1/6. 1 minus 1/6 is 5/6. This is I minus B. Okay. Now we have found out I minus B. Now diagonal is positive.
Yeah.
So condition 1 is true. Condition 1 true. Condition 2 now you have to find out. Okay. Let us take I minus B determinant. Okay. 3/4 into 5/6 minus 1/6 into minus 2/3. Okay.
Yeah.
That is equal to 15 by 24 minus 2 by 18. Make it 1 by 9. Okay. Now 9 and 24. What will happen? We have to find out. 24 and 9. Let us think 72. Okay. Take 72. 9 into 8. Minus 8. This is into 3 into 3. 45 minus 8. Okay. 45 minus 10 is 35 plus 2 is 37 by 72. This is greater than 0. So condition 2 also correct. So there is a viable solution. Is possible. Okay. Let us finish this and we'll take it in I'll post this. Go back to our matrix. So 3/4, 2/3, 1/6, 5/6, and 37 by 27. 37 by 22. Okay. So I'm going to rub off everything. Only keep the I minus B matrix. I minus B delta is 37 by 72. Then I minus B is equal to matrix equal to 3/4 minus 2/3 minus 1/6 and 5 by 6. And 5 by 6. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to find I minus B inverse. Inverse you have to find. For that, here 1, 1 is equal to 3/4. Minor is equal to 5/6. Minor is equal to 5/6. Cofactor is equal to minus 1 squared into 5/6. That is equal to 5/6. Okay. A of 1, 2 is equal to minus 2/3. Minor is equal to minus 1/6. Cofactor is equal to minus 1 cubed into minus 1/6. That is equal to 1/6. Okay. A of 2, 1 is equal to minus 1/6. Minor is equal to minus 2/3. Cofactor is equal to minus 1 cubed into minus 2/3. That will be positive. Plus 2/3. A of 2, 2 is equal to 5/6. Minor is equal to 3/4. Cofactor is equal to minus 1 to the power of 4 into 3/4. That will also be positive 3/4. Okay. So cofactor matrix equal to 5/6, 1/6, 2/3, 3/4.
Okay, isn't that okay?
3/4. Now adjoint matrix will be transpose of this. Okay, go for matrix A. Transpose of this. That will be 5/6, 1/6, 2/3, 3/4.
3/4. Okay.
Now you have to do determinant. What you have to do determinant? Determinant is 37 by 72. So I minus B inverse is equal to 72 by 37. Because what? 1 divided by 37 by 72 will become 72 by 37 into 5 by 6th, 2 by 3, 1 by 6th, and 3 by 4. Okay.
Okay.
Now we have to do x equal to x equal to I minus b inverse into d. D I told you is 80 by 40. Okay, so you start. This is 80. This is 40. This is the new demand. Okay, I minus b, the new demand. So that will be equal to keep the 72 by 37. What you do? Okay, what you can do is 72 is divided by 37 in different places. Take the 72 inside. Okay, take the 72 inside. Make it 1 by 37 into 72 into 5 by 6. Then 72 into 2 by 3. Then 72 by 6. Then 72 into 3 by 4 into 80 by 40. Okay, like that you can do.
Okay.
But you will do 1 by 37 into 72 will go in 6 12 times. 12 into 5, 60.
60.
Okay. Then 72 will go in 3 24 times. So that is 48. 72 by 6 again 12. 72 will go in 4 how many times? 18 times.
18.
Okay. So 18 into 3, how much?
18 into
3.
3.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is simplified into like this. Okay. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix. This is a 2 by 1 matrix. You will get a 2 by 1 matrix when you multiply. That is 1 by 37 into 60 into 80, how much? 4,800. Okay. 48 into 40.
48. 48 into 40. Okay.
4 8s are 32. 4 4s are 16. 190 plus 1,920. Okay. That is the first one. Then, you got 12 into 80. 12 8s are how much?
Until the answer is 960.
So 960 plus 54 into 40.
40.
4 4s are 16. 4 5s are 20, 21.
20
okay, plus
21. Okay. 2160.
This is the matrix you got. 2160 plus 960. How much? So 12, 9 plus 1, 10, 11, 3, 3120. So 3120. Till now you should not use calculator. Okay. 4,800 and that is 20. And 9 plus 8 plus 8, 16.
6,720 uncle.
Yes, very good, very good, very good. Okay. Now use calculator and find out answer.
Okay.
6720 by 37, how much?
670 by 37. 36 or 37 uncle?
37.
37 then 37. 181.621622 uncle.
62, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then the other one.
Okay. 31 by 37.
3120 by 37.
Uncle, for me it's coming 3,120 divided by 37. Uncle. Okay.
By 37.
3120 divided by 84.32432.
0.324,
324, amma.
32, okay, 82, 32, okay. Some slight differences, manual calculation. I did manual calculation. Doing this. Okay, very good. So that sum also over.
Yeah.
Do you want to do the other sum for homework?
Which one, uncle? 6th, 7th.
6th and 7th you can do for homework. Very similar sums. Exactly like 5th sum, only have to do 6th and 7th.
Sure, uncle.
Numbers are easy also.
I'll try.
But for both, you have to assume that only A matrix is given. You have to find the technology matrix. B matrix is technology matrix. Okay. So from A of 1, 1, you have to find B of 1, 1 as A of 1, 1 by X1. Cross output is given. Okay. Like that you have to do. So 5, 6, and 7 are one type of where only A matrix is given. You have to find the B matrix, which is technology matrix.
Okay.
And then only you have to do the sums. But fourth sum alone, directly B matrix, technology matrix is directly given.
Yeah.
So 4 sum alone is different. Now let us go do some random sums. 25 sums in exercise 5. We cannot do all the 25. Okay. What we'll do? Let us try to do 5 sums today. Okay, or 5 or 6 sums, whatever, half an hour we have time. Try to do that. Very good. Exercise 1.5. So with today we are finishing matrices and determinants, man. Okay.
Today, we can't finish 1.5 today, uncle.
We'll finish the classwork today. Homework you do another 5 or 6 sums. You do homework data, and then you finished it. Okay.
Okay.
That's all. Next class onwards, next week onwards, we will start. I will tell you what we can start. What are they doing for you in class?
Right now, uncle, we finished.
You finished matrices. What else you finished? Algebra finished, huh?
Yeah, algebra finished.
Oh, you finished algebra. What are you doing now?
Recently, we finished algebra, and then ma'am already started. 1 minute.
Analytical geometry, yeah?
Analytical geometry, ma'am explain it first a little. Now she'll again continue.
Tell me what? Analytical geometry what?
Start பண்ணிட்டாங்க ரொம்ப முன்னாடியே ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க ஆனா they left it some midway.
Why?
That she'll continue. It was not in the exam now, that's why.
Oh, it's not in the exam, huh? Okay.
So she finished chapter 2.
Okay. How long you've been going?
How long?
I mean, since when was the classes started?
July, uncle.
Huh?
July.
Only 1.5 months you finished 2 chapters.
Yeah, uncle. The thing is, so this is what a teacher does. She'll put 2 or 3 sums on the board, and then ஒரு ஆப்னே இருக்கும் easy score ne. Easy score app. So from there, she'll
speak a little clearly, man. It's very hard to hear you. Open your mouth and speak clearly.
I'll increase the volume. Now can you hear, uncle?
Yeah, go ahead. No, you should speak clearly. Your diction is not proper. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Open your mouth and speak clearly, not the sound level.
Okay. So.
Lessen your volume.
Hello, uncle. Now can you hear me? Is this better?
Okay.
Yeah, uncle. So what my teacher did was there's a easy score app. So with that easy score app, she'll show it in class and tell the students to take a screenshot. And with that screenshot, after the classes get over, we have to write that.
You have to write that, huh?
Yeah. 2-3 sums you'll do an easy score. 2-3 sums you'll do on the board. So within 2 classes, we'll finish 1 exercise. And example sums, we won't do much.
Only the exercise sums.
Yeah.
So how will you understand?
That she'll explain, uncle.
So you understood everything?
Uncle, I couldn't cope up with that.
Okay.
Some sums I understand,
it's
uncle.
Like it's not fully understandable, the process that she
Yeah.
Okay.
Like I said, no, uncle, she's rushing the portion.
Yeah? So okay.
She'll start again.
First chapter, first 5, we will not touch. We will do the last 5.
Okay.
We will do 7, 8, 9, 10 first, and then come to differential calculus.
7, 8, 9, 10.
We'll do that, huh?
Yeah, uncle, but I don't know what the reduced portion is for 7, 8, 9, 10.
You don't know?
1 to 3 ku dhaan theriyum.
Okay, let us assume that everything is there, and we'll start correlation, regression analysis, operations research, distributive statistics, and probability. Next, we'll do distributive statistics and probability.
Okay.
Then we'll do correlation and regression analysis.
Okay.
Then we'll see what we can do. I actually want to do differential calculus also. Okay. What we'll do is we'll finish distributive statistics and probability within 2 weeks, and then start differential calculus and applications of differentiation.
Okay.
Those 2 will be very important chapters. We'll do that.
Okay.
Then we'll go to correlation and regression analysis and operations. Next week, we will start the distributive statistics and probability.
Okay.
And finish it very fast. Within 1 week, you should finish it. Okay.
We'll try, uncle. 1 chapter, 1 week will be tough.
No, see, it is the smallest chapter.
Yeah.
only 3 things are there. Measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion. That is
And
2 statistics,
probability.
then probability is the third. Only 3 things are there. Very small chapter. We'll finish it.
Okay.
And then we'll go to differential calculus and applications of differentiation immediately. Those 2 are very important. Let your teacher do analytical geometry and trigonometry for you.
Okay.
We'll start distributive statistics. Tuesday we'll start distributive statistics. Fine. Okay. Right, now let us continue with exercise 1.5.
Okay.
We need something to do with exercise 1.5. Okay, we'll start with the first sum. Let us do first sum. It's easy. Okay, actually it's very easy. Your teacher is being taught only, maybe you're feeling bad about it. Okay, I posted this already, right? And I can rub this off.
Yeah.
Exercise 1.5 question. Choose the correct answer. Value of 1. Value of x 0, 0, x
2x 1 3x
x is equal to 0. It's telling. Okay. So find the value of x.
Okay.
That means 0 into some matrix. We need not calculate. Minus 1 into which matrix? Now you need to calculate. X into x minus 1 into x. X squared minus x. Okay. Then again 0 matrix plus 0 into something. Why we do not calculate. So the sum comes down to minus 1 into x squared minus x. That is equal to 0. Okay. Then take x outside. X minus x into is equal to 0. Minus x equal to 0 and x minus 1 equal to 0. 2 solutions you get. X equal to 0 or x equal to 1. That is the answer. Okay. So it's giving 0, 1.
0, 1.
Set is 0, 1. Is that there?
Yeah. Option B. Yeah.
Answer B is correct. Okay. Now let us do x. This is 1. 1 we finish. Now second sum. Let us do second sum. We'll try that.
Yeah.
2x plus 5, 2y plus z, 2z plus x. How do you do? You have to split it into 2 matrix. 2x, x, y, 2y, y, z, then 2z, z, x.
Yeah.
Plus y,
y,
z, x, again x, y, z, y, z, x. Now this is all you have to do. Value of this thing. So how to find out exercise 1.5? You have to now start multiplying. 1 second. Let me start multiplying. Here, what we are having, there is a proportion. 2x, 2y, 2z, x, y, z. Okay, if they are proportional, then the value of the determinant is 0. This one. Same way, we have to see y, z, x, y, z, x, y, z. Again, identical. 2 rows are identical. Column C1 identical to column C3. So 0 also 0 matrix. 0 matrix, 0 matrix is 0. Okay. So answer is D.
0.
D answer is 0. So it looked very big, very small sum it became. Okay. Now cofactor of -7 in the determinant is okay. Now you see -7. The matrix
2
is
minus 3
2
is 6
minus
0,
3
uncle.
5 6 0 4 1 5 minus 7. So this one cut off. So
Plus
2
18,
minus
uncle.
3 6 0. Correct. You're
Plus
correct.
18.
So 2 into 0 0 minus of minus 3 into 6. Okay, minus 18 is equal to plus 18. So it's given there B, answer B. Answer B,
Yeah.
18. Okay, so third sum also is on. Let's do fourth sum. If one matrix is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, then 3, 1, 2 is 1, 3, 2. Fourth sum.
Uncle, they have taken the first. They've taken the first row.
R1 is replaced by R2.
Yeah. They've taken the first row to the second row, uncle.
So yeah, that's what they've done. So you have made 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1. Instead of that, you are now doing 3, 1, 2,
3 1
1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1.
Yeah.
So this is the property of the determinant. Okay. Now, which property of the determinant this is saying? I think seventh property. What is the properties of determinants? The value of the determinant is unaltered when a constant multiple of the elements of any. No. If any two rows are second property.
Okay.
If any two rows of so second property. Okay, you should write property 2. Row 1.
So it's minus matrix, uncle.
Row 2. So row 1 interchange is row 2. So if the thing changes, then the value changes. It becomes minus of each other. So that is what tells
yeah.
answer. Okay. So then if this is delta, then this one becomes minus delta. What is there? Is there minus delta is there. B. B is the correct answer. Okay. So 4 sums you have done. Let us do 3 or 4 more sums. Let us see how much time we have. You can do the remaining things.
Yeah.
It's easy only. Okay, let us go back to our. We can do some more sums also.
Okay.
Now this is a diagonal matrix. Fifth one.
Yeah.
So fifth one is diagonal matrix. Correct.
Yeah, uncle.
Exercise 1.5 is some diagonal matrix. Because A, B, C, everything else is 0. So diagonal matrix is just the product of the diagonal. A into B into C. That is equal to ABC. Which is the correct answer? A is there. A is ABC. That's all.
Uncle, but this is diagonal matrix square, uncle. Square. Okay. So it will be A square, B square, C square, no, uncle.
But yeah.
Or square matrix.
ABC. Let us see where we are getting the issue. Square இருக்குதா?
Square இருக்கு.
Okay. So ABC into ABC. A squared, B squared, C squared. Okay, correct. Yeah. So that means answer will be C.
C, yeah.
Sorry. Answer will be C. 1 times it is A into B into C. 2 times it is A into B into C into A into B into C.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So that is coming correctly. Then sixth sum we will try. If A is a square matrix of order 3, then K of A is K is multiplying everything. K into A minus K into A minus K cubed into A. K cubed into A. Yeah, because see, it will multiply first row. K into X, let us say K into A11, K into A12, K into A13. Then K into A21, K into A22, K into A23. Then K into A31, K into A32, K into A33. That is how it will become. Okay. If you multiply only one row, okay, K into A, only one row becomes okay. Multiply only one row, it becomes K into A. Okay, only one row. This row alone you multiply by K, it becomes K into A. But you are multiplying second row also, you are multiplying third row also. So you will have to take K into A, and again K into A. It will become here, it will become like that, here it will become, that will become K cubed into A. Okay. That is 6 sum. Okay, let us do 7 sum. Adjoint of AB is equal to adjoint of A into adjoint of B. This one is very important. Adjoint of A into adjoint of B, we saw is equal to, adjoint of AB is equal to adjoint of B into adjoint of A. Remember, I told you, don't do adjoint of A into adjoint of B. Okay, that one is asking that question. So that is C is answer. Huh? Yeah, C is answer. 7 sum also done. Let us try 8 sum.
Okay.
Inverse of matrix. Okay, let us find now. A of 1, 1 is equal to 1/5. Then minor is equal to half. Then cofactor is equal to minus 1 the whole squared into half. That is equal to half. Then A of 1, 2 for matrix is equal to 5 by 25. That is M is equal to 2/5. Cofactor is equal to minus 1 cubed into 2/5. That is equal to minus 2/5. Okay. Then A of 2, 1 is equal to 2 by 5. Minor is equal to 1 by 5. 5 by 25 is 1 by 5. Right. 5 by 25 is 1 by 5. So cofactor is equal to minus 1 cubed into 1 by 5. That is equal to minus 1 by 5. Okay. Then A of 2, 2 is equal to half. Minor equal to 1/5. Cofactor is equal to minus 1 to the power of 4 into 1/5. That is equal to 1/5. So what we are getting, half minus 2/5, 1/5, and 1/5. This is the cofactor matrix. Transpose, A transpose will be half minus 2/5, 1/5, 1/5. Now determinant, you have to find determinant. I forgot to find that. Every time we forgot that. Okay. Determinant will be equal to 1 by 5 into half minus 2 by 5 into 1 by 5. Okay. 1 by 5 into, that is equal to 1 by 10 minus 2 by 10. That is equal to minus 1 by 10. So it's not equal to 0. So inverse exists. So determinant of A is equal to minus 1 by 10. Okay. So what we can do is inverse A inverse equal to minus 1 by 10. Okay. Into 10 means minus 10 it becomes. Half minus 2/5, 1/5, 1/5. Why they are giving something else? This is a problem. 5 by 25, not simplifying 1 by 5. This problem, there is a issue there. 8 problem. Let us leave 8 problem. You work it out. I think they are taking 5 by 25 literally. Must dilute it to 1 by 20, 1 by 5.
Okay.
Okay, let us see. Otherwise, this will be 8 sum. There is a problem. Okay, leave out 8 sum. Let us do one or two more sums. How much time we have? 2 more sums we can do.
Yeah.
8 sum, there's a problem. Let us get back. I think there is a problem in the sum itself.
Okay.
Let us try 9 sum. 9 sum telling AD minus BC not equal to 0. That means the inverse exists. 9 sum. So inverse exists. Then A inverse is I'm going to find out. Okay. A of 1 1 is A. Okay, let us say the thing is A, B, C, D matrix. A of 1 1 equal to A. Minor is equal to D. Cofactor is equal to minus 1 squared into D. That is equal to D. Then A of 1 2 is equal to B. Minor equal to C. Cofactor is equal to minus 1 cubed into C. Minus C. A of 2 1 is equal to C. Minor equal to B. Cofactor of minus 1 into 3 again. Okay, minus 1 to the power of 3 into B is equal to minus B. Then A of 2 2 to D. Minor equal to A. Cofactor of minus 1 to the power of 4 into A is equal to A. So this becomes D minus C minus B A. This is the cofactor matrix. Adjoint matrix will become D minus C minus B A. Okay. Then A determinant. A determinant is equal to AD minus BC. Okay. So your sum will become A inverse will become 1 by AD minus BC into D minus B minus CA. Is it coming? Which one is coming? Looks like C is coming. So C is correct. All right. C is 1. So 9 sum over. The number of hawkins-Simon conditions for the viability of input output is 10 sum. How many conditions are there?
7.
Oh, 2 conditions. Properties only are 7. Matrix determinant properties there are 7. Hawkins-Simon condition is the diagonal everything must be positive, and then the determinant must be greater than 0. So only 2 conditions. Okay. So D2 10 sum also. Let's see how much time we have. Yeah, we have 2 more minutes. We can do 10 sum, then we can do 11 sum.
Within 2 minutes, we
inventor of the input outputs analysis is Professor Vasily Leontev. Okay, 11 sum. Okay, Professor 11 sum is C, that you know. Well, which of the following matrix has no inverse? No inverse means you have to find out 1 into 4 minus 1, 3. So not equal to 0, first one. A has inverse. B, let us try B. 4 minus 4 into minus 1 is equal to 4 minus 4. Give 0. Oh, this is not a singular matrix. This is a singular matrix. Sorry. So this does not, B does not have A inverse.
Okay.
Okay. So B is the correct answer. 12th one.
Okay.
Okay. Now we'll copy and paste this. Your miss is enjoying.
Yeah.
Okay. What is that application you said? Name of the application?
Easy score.
Huh?
Easy score.
Easy score.
Yeah.
You have to speak. Open your mouth and speak, man. Very unclear. It's not the loudness of your voice. It's your diction. You're closing your mouth when you speak. So it's very difficult to decipher what you're speaking. Speak very clearly.
That's why.
So you have to take a little extra effort. Okay. So 12th sum over. Then let us do 13th sum. Remaining sums and all you do for homework, and let us finish it.
Okay.
Exercise 7.1, 13th sum. Inverse of matrix 3, 1, 5, 2. A is equal to that. Then A11 is equal to 3, minor is equal to 2, cofactor is equal to minus 1 squared into 2, that is equal to 2. Then A12 is equal to 1, minor is equal to 5, cofactor is equal to minus 1, 3 into 5, that is equal to minus 5. Then A21 is equal to 5, minor is equal to 1, cofactor of minus 1 cubed is minus 1. Then A22 is equal to 2, minor is equal to 3, cofactor of minus 1 to the power of 4 into 3 is equal to 3. So here you have a adjoint matrix as 2, minus 5, minus 1, 3. Then transpose of that will be 2, minus 5, minus 1, 3. Okay. Now you have to find a determinant. A determinant is equal to what? 3 into 2 minus 5 into 1. That is 6 minus 5 into 1. So the final A inverse is the same as adjoint. 2 minus 5 minus 1, 3.
Okay.
Answer over there, 13 sum here. 2 minus 1 minus 5, 3. A.
Yeah.
A is the correct answer. Okay.
Yeah. Understood, uncle.
Time over, or we can do one more sum.
Time over, uncle. Correct.
Okay. 13 sums you have done. You don't do the simultaneous linear equations. Okay. Any sum that is related to simultaneous linear equation, don't do it.
Okay.
That means I don't think anything with simultaneous linear equation is given. Okay, so you can do all the remaining 12 sums. Okay.
Okay.
When any 3 rows or columns of a determinant are identical, then the value of the determinant is 0. 25 sum you already done. So 12, 13, 14 to 24. Only 11 sums you should do. You finish that on Tuesday, very small sums. Okay,
yeah,
we have finished matrices and determinant. Let us start statistics and probability. Okay.
Sure.
Congratulations. Very well done. Very well done. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Alright, uncle. I'll leave now.
Okay.
Bye, uncle. Have a nice time.
Bye, man. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy your weekend.
Yeah, sure.